Apple just released the first beta of iOS 16.5. Here is everything new. Welcome everybody, welcome to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here as always, and I'm pretty excited because we have a new version of iOS to check out. This may be the last major release before we get iOS 17. Any new features beyond this will likely be incorporated into iOS 17 this fall. So 16.5 may be the last kind of big update. We might see a 16.6 just in between because we still have several months to go before iOS 17 is released in September, but we do have a couple new features here that I'm excited about. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is new in iOS 16.5. There are three new features inside of iOS 16.5, at least in this first beta, that I want to talk about. The first one's a little bit smaller, but I'm excited about the second two. The first one's for smart home users. If you are an Apple Home user, now a shared admin in an Apple Home can add or edit Matter accessories. As Matter stuff starts to kind of permeate the market, this is going to be crucial for secondary users to be able to add and edit those accessories. Next, inside of the News app, Apple has now removed the sports information from the main tab and added it to its own dedicated tab right there on the bottom. This is so welcomed because the sports stuff was massive inside of the regular news and it kind of buried a lot of the normal news that is in there. So I am so excited to see this move over to its own dedicated tab here in the News app. I know a lot of you have been asking about this and Apple's finally delivered it here in 16.5. Finally, the last new feature is you can take a screen recording just using your voice. You no longer have to open Control Center to tap on the screen recording icon, and you don't even have to put in Control Center at all. You can just ask Siri. This is very useful, and previously, Apple had the ability to take a screenshot with Siri. Now you can do the same thing with a screen recording. So you'll just summon Siri, whether you say the key phrase or hold the side button to bring Siri up, say, take a screen recording, and it'll go ahead and count you down and start the screen recording like it otherwise would. Super easy to do. So that's it. Those are the biggest changes here in iOS 16.5. What else do you want to see, and what do you want to see in iOS 17 as we get closer to Apple's official announcement? Let me know down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And stay tuned, because I got a lot more videos coming your way.